Hello teachers, this is about how to fill CCE result. Log into your SATS portal, Student Management 1 to 10, CCE result, generate result form. Here you have to select the academic year and then the standard, then medium, exam, language group, search. Then here you will find the child. So you have to fill the exam result as per the requirement, that is of FA1. You have to fill all the 5 exams, FA1, FA2, FA3, FA4, SA1, SA2. All this you have to fill simultaneously, separate and then submit it. Now one exam I will show you, FA1. Here you have to fill A, whatever you want to give, any grades which you wish to give. You can select A plus. Now for Hindi Sanskrit children, if they have opted for 9th and 10th standard, if they have opted for Hindi, you can just select for Hindi, and those who have not opted for Sanskrit, you can say exempt. So like this, simultaneously, how many children are there present in your class and section? Choose your children, fill the result, click on submit. Okay. Now the second exam, you have to get this message. Then now the second one, that is FA2, you need to fill in the same method. So you have to fill in this method. Okay. If you, whichever academic year you are filling, just have a look of that academic year and you can fill the data. This is how you are going to fill the CCE result. Thank you.